Hello and welcome to Rapyd Bytes. Today we're going to look at how to generate a hosted checkout page with additional fees. Rapyd is an API first company, and here in Rapyd Bytes we'll show you how to accept, hold, and disperse funds anywhere using local payment methods. Be sure to check out our developer community. We got some amazing contests going on right now. Thank you to everyone joining. Amazing prizes. So be sure to join. It's community.rapyd.net. You won't want to miss out. So thanks for watching. Again, we're going to generate a hosted checkout page with additional fees. So a hosted checkout page is a secure pre-built web page for you to direct to your customers to and accept purchases into your store, basically into your Rapyd client account. So a Rapyd hosted checkout page is PCI certified, payment card industry, to handle credit card information securely. That's up to industry standards. This is the value of hosted checkout pages, as well as many others. And so I am on the API reference right now with the create checkout page API call, and here you could see it's a post request, as well as the endpoint here and the fields for the body parameters, and then the request here, checkout page with additional fees, and this is the request example, as well as the response down below. You can select. I'm going to head over to the checkout page object with some of the response fields, and if we scroll down here, we can see there's a payment fees object, in which is then the request here below, and I will head over to the payment fees object with the transaction fee object to explain some of these. So we have the transaction fee, which contains either the FX fee or the gross fees, or the payment fees contains the FX fee or the transaction fee, and then the gross and net fees field is explained here under calc type. And so if it's net, that will be subtracted from what is accepted into the account. So if you are accepting for a seller or for maybe a marketplace or someone that you're generating the account or the checkout page for, the $5 fee or 5% fee will go into a designated client wallet, while the recipient receives the $95 in the example of $100 5% fee. And then the gross fee would just be added on top. So it would be, if there's a 5% in $100, the sender will see the additional fee and pay that directly. And so, of course, we have the different examples: percentage or absolute, which is the fixed amount, and the value and where it was inputted. Here we have the FX fee as well, does the same makeup with net and gross. We won't be doing this today, just specifically focusing on the transaction fee here. So I'm going to head over to Postman here. You can follow a video or a guide to download our Postman collection and get started. I will link that below, and I can search up just the checkout page. I have added an additional call here just by going to a similar call and duplicating that and adding the correct request body here. As you can see, the URL is /checkout. This is a variable set for the sandbox, and it's similar to other checkout pages. And so we have the amount, 700. The country and currency is Singapore and Singapore dollar. I don't have any payment methods or categories designated, so all of the payment methods will show up for Singapore. And then here we have the payment fees object and the transaction fee within that. The calc type is gross, which means it'll be added on top, if you remember, as well as the value, it's 2%, so designated as percentage here. So I will go ahead and send that. And at success, we see status is new, as well as here is the checkout page ID, as well as the URL here. So I'll click here so I can pop up. Oh, looks like I'll just pull it up. And so here we have just all the options again for Singapore designated, and then the transaction fee is 2%, and it comes out to 14 Singapore dollars added on top. So the payer, the customer, sees that. And so I'll just use GrabPay e-wallet to include on that. And then here is just the redirect and the bank pay simulation login. So the username and success. And looks like it was complete. This is the in the request, the complete payment URL for third party. And so let me grab the checkout page and retrieve it, and you could see the status is done for this. The ID in which we grabbed, again the amount is 714. The status for the actual payment is closed. So the done would apply to the checkout page. This would apply to closed. If this was maybe a different bank transfer or cash, this would still remain active, and the third party, you would have to complete that payment on the next step. But I can grab actually the payment here. Just by using the payment ID. And again, here we see that total paid $714. The status is closed. Payment via checkout. GrabPay is the type. And then scrolling down, the gross fees include 14. In the transaction fee, it's 2 for percentage, and it went into this e-wallet, which is all together. So yeah, and so here we did the hosted checkout page. We generated that with additional fees, transaction fees, and just showed you how to accept that and retrieve the checkout page as well as the payment as it is completed. And so thanks for watching. Be sure to comment or follow up with any questions either in the video or here on our community. And we love to hear from you, and just what some videos you want to watch or anything, any new content. So again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.